everybody, and welcome to the next episode of Sailing Alley Cat. Thanks for coming back. I hope you enjoyed the last few episodes that we've put out. If you did, please make sure to click like and subscribe to our channel so that you can continue to get updated videos as we put them out. Well, today it was a very exciting day because we're going to start the reinstall of the solar arch. If you'll remember in the last episode, we got the solar arch started, but there were some problems with some parts and shipping, so we had to send some stuff back, we had to reorder, and we had to wait for it to get here. Well, all of that stuff has arrived, and now it's time for us to resume the solar arch project. Also in this episode, we're going to go back to the washing machine project. Did we get it working? I guess you'll just have to watch and find out. Did the arch get installed? I guess you're just gonna have to watch and find out. Let's see what happens. Really a super long day. I think the guys ended up working until at least 9:30 that night. So let's put that project on the back burner for a few minutes and we'll get back to it later on in the video. Let's talk about the washing machine for a couple of minutes. So it's time to discuss the washing machine project again. And we have had multiple problems with this washing machine. Most of the problems that we have had I explained in the last video, but here is the current problem. Note that I said current problem that we are having with my washing machine. Now this hose is responsible for all that water exiting the machine at a high rate of speed. If you remember correctly from the last video, Patrick Swayze surfed a wave out of the bathroom because this hose failed. So we have got to replace it. Now Dave has been to every plumbing store, every appliance store, every type of store you can think of that he may possibly find this part, and this part is unable to be found. It does not exist. So I contacted the company. Now this is a portable washing machine, so I knew up front that I was probably not going to get anything from the company, and I was correct. The company does not make replacement parts for this washing machine, so we're kind of on our own with it. We can return it or we can keep it, that's our choice. But the thing is, I really wanted to keep the washing machine. What are we gonna do? Well, in times like this, I can only think of one person to go to for advice. Yep, I think I'm gonna have to give him a call. Let me see if I got his phone number. Is this St. Peter at the Golden Gate? Yes, this is Allison. I need a favor. And I hate to bring this up. You remember that little favor I did for you down in Mexico when we were down there in 1989? Yeah, I know I promised not to ever bring that up again, but I need some help. No, I'm not going to tell anybody, but you owe me. You know you owe me. Yes. I need to talk to God. Don't go boo-boo kitty on me, Peter. Don't go boo-boo kitty on me. You know I wouldn't ask if this wasn't really important. What do you mean he's on vacation? What? Therapist recommended? A month? Are you kidding me? Oh, all right, seriously. All right, well, then I will talk with Jesus. I was hoping to go all the way to the top, but I'll talk to Jesus. I know he's busy. Put me through. No, I'll hold. Yes, I know the call volume is high this time of day. Put me through. I'll hold. All right. No, I'm not leaving a phone number on his voicemail. He'll never call me back. I know that game. I'm not playing that. I do not know how long I have been on hold waiting for Jesus, but it's been forever. But I'm sure it'll be worth. Oh, Jesus! Hey, it's Allison. I know we just talked this morning and it was a good talk, but listen, I hate to do this, but I'm at my wit's end down here. You know, I don't ask for very much, but I need just a little bit of help with a washing machine that we've got down here that just does not seem to want to cooperate and can't get it working. You're preaching at the choir, Jesus. I'm the most blessed person on the planet. I know. But listen, if you would just give me what I need and we can end this conversation and you just get right back out and taking care of everybody else's problems, that would save some time right there. Oh, all that noise in the background? Oh, that's Dave working on another project. He's doing something in the bilge. There he is again down there. What is he doing? There, see? Yeah. He's working on another problem. That's why I'm calling you and asking you for help. He's just got too much on his plate. Next thing you know, he's going to be over there next to God taking a vacation too, recommended by his therapist, I suppose. Oh, you think you can? Okay, yes. Absolutely, I can give you a couple of days. No problem. So I'll expect that miracle, I don't know, sometime maybe around, I don't know, the next 24, 48 hours, you think? I hate to be pushy. I'm really not trying to be pushy. Oh, thank you. And again, thank you so much. I'll talk with you again in the morning. Thank you. All right, have a good day. Bye-bye.
How you doing down there?
Here's the moment of truth. All of that is draining out of the bottom. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold?
I'm gonna look at some cocktails.
Thing looking good?
Yep.
Okay. It's gonna happen any second now.
No, it's draining.
I know, I'm waiting on a leak. I'm waiting on lack of a leak. Everything looking good. Everything's draining properly. I don't see no water shooting out or nothing.
I'm still holding my breath.
It's just the first load. But so far it's looking good. Looking good. So we got the washing machine working. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. Thank you for the miracle. The miracle that came in the form of this was what finally fixed the washing machine. Dave sprayed that hose with 25 layers of this stuff, and so far it is doing the job. What you doing, Dave?
Emailing our water maker people over in Australia.
What's going on?
I need some parts because we have a fitment issue, just a lack of space. I need to put an elbow in on a high pressure, 1,000 pressure PSI line. And finally found one up in Savannah. Went up there and checked it out. It looked good. They said it was right. I was questionable, so I got it back and tried it. And it's only a $25 fitting, but it just doesn't fit quite right. So now I have to decide that the only way to be safe is to order it right from the company in Australia. So yet another delay in our process.
Oh, good gracious, live all this drama. I know what it's time for. It's time for Alley Cat's special shout out of the week. Yeah, that'll make us all feel better. Check this out. So in the last video, I gave a special shout out to a friend of mine who I thought deserved a special shout out because she saved a dog, and everybody knows that if you save a dog, well, you a bona fide hero. And Lori is still a bona fide hero. So this week, I was thinking, who can I showcase in my life? And then it occurred to me, sweet little girls here in the marina. One's named Kenzie, one's named Lily, and they're obviously budding artists. They have a little stand set up underneath the oak tree up there, and they're willing to do art for you. I can't think of anything more lovely to do on a nice summer afternoon, and these two little girls are so sweet. Let's just take a look here at what these two sweet little girls did for me. Now this one over here, this beautiful piece of art belongs to Kenzie. Now you can tell that Kenzie is no stranger to dramatic color. You can tell by the way she uses the blues in contrast to the orange, and it just pulls you right into the picture. It's really stunning, and I'm just going to go ahead and say it because I know everyone's thinking it. Claude Monet. Yeah, I said it. I said it. This little girl's work is amazing. Way to go, Kenzie. Now let's take a look at Lily's work over here. Let's not sell Lily short, because Lily is all about drama and scale. Notice how she only used one color for her art piece. That's because this artist is so good that she can make her point with one color. That's all she needs. It's amazing the attention to detail that she has put into this picture. You can feel the depth of the picture as well as the shallowness. I've never seen anything like it. I look at it, it makes me want to pull my anchor up and hoist a sail and go sailing. Way to go, Lily. Your work is nothing short of inspirational. So we're coming up to the end of episode 8 of Sailing Alley Cat. I really hope you've enjoyed it. I did want to take just a minute here to give you just a brief synopsis of what we have got accomplished this video and what we are looking forward to in the future. So what we got accomplished in this video was, you can see that the solar arch itself did get installed on the boat. They are still working on the solar panels, and the guys are working on that project today, and I'm not sure if it'll get done or not, but in any case, we'll pick that up in the next video. And we are still working on the water maker project, and as I explained earlier, there's more parts that need to be ordered. The one thing that did happen that was really great in this video is we finally ended the washing machine project, and the washing machine project seems to be going fantastic. It's working like a charm, and I love it, so very happy with that. So that gives you a brief update on solar, arch, water maker, washing machine, and where we stand on all of them. So, in our next video, we will resume with the solar panel install, the wiring, and hopefully the finishing of the water maker install. Let's keep our fingers crossed on that. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise, we'll get that done. Anyway, thank you guys for watching our video. We hope you come back again. If you enjoyed it, please click like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment, ask a question. We'd love to know that you guys are actually watching what we're doing, enjoying what we're putting out there, and plus it'd just be really encouraging to know that. So thanks again, folks. I look forward to seeing you next time. Stay safe out there.